My name is Ryan Payne, currently doing the Mechatronics technology program at Cleveland State. I need to learn by getting my hands dirty. I'm actually doing stuff every day, doing experiments, doing labs. I really enjoyed that aspect here. My brother-in-law reached out to me and he knew that this was something I'd be interested in. So he brought me here. I talked to Dr. Wilson, kind of walked through the school a little bit. I also went to a couple other schools for this program, and Cleveland State seemed to be the best to me. So still going to school with him. We're getting the same degree at the same time. Cleveland State works with UTC to continue on this path, and I would love to go through with that and keep this going because I love what I'm learning. I love problem solving. I love finding the issue and finding a solution for it. So I would like to look into Valker. Mars would be good. I'm really interested in going to McKee, but eventually I would like to, like I said, continue on and get my bachelor's and do more of a management position, especially with this degree being so versatile. I don't have to stay in one spot. I can go anywhere and do anything with this. Currently where I'm working, it's the same thing every day. I wanted something a little bit more, and Cleveland State has definitely been able to give me that opportunity and show me that there are opportunities out there, and it's really helped me define my tomorrow.